Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 30b, in which we will learn fi'l mudari'. In Arabic language, most of the verbs come from 3 root letters like fa'ala, fataha, nasara, daraba. We have already learned fi'l madi, the perfect tense. And remember the key of fi'l madi is fa'ala. And if you know this key, you can make the rest of the forms like by adding u, ta, tu, tum, na. Like fa'ala, if you know fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. MashaAllah. So the first type of fi'l was madi, perfect tense, that which is done. Now we will learn the second type of fi'l, and that is mudari'. Fi'l mudari', imperfect tense, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. Remember, the TPI for fi'l madi is that your hand should be horizontal. For mudari', raise your hand to eye level. These two levels should be different. For mudari' forms, here are some illogical but practical tips. Remember, Yasir working on your right side and say Yasir yaf'alu, ya. And plural of Yasir is Yasirun. So you have Yasirun, yaf'alun. And for ease of remembering, I will call you Tawfiq. You, Tawfiq, taf'alu. Ana, af'alu. Plural of Tawfiq is Tawfiqun, taf'alun. And nahnu, naf'alu, na. Alright, can you translate? Yaf'alu, he does. Yaf'aluna, they do. Taf'alu, you do. Af'alu, I do. Taf'aluna, you all do. Naf'alu, we do. Okay, remember it's not naf'aluna. Naf'alu, we do. Okay, so can you translate again? Yaf'alu, he does. Yaf'aluna, they do. Taf'alu, you do. Af'alu, I do. Taf'aluna, you all do. Naf'alu, we do. So let's talk in Arabic now. Everybody is learning Arabic here, so doing something good. So can you answer with a yes? هل يفعل؟
نعم يفعل.
Is he doing? Yes, he is doing. هل يفعلون؟
نعم يفعلون.
هل تفعل؟
نعم أفعل.
هل تفعلون؟
نعم نفعل.
Can you repeat again? Answer me. هل يفعل؟
نعم يفعل.
هل يفعلون؟
نعم يفعلون.
هل تفعل؟
نعم أفعل.
So when I ask you هل تفعل, you will say نعم أفعل. تفعل will change to أفعل. And هل تفعلون, are you all doing? You will say نعم نفعل. That's it for now. جزاكم الله خير. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.